Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from whichever time zone you're listening to me from. How are you today? Before I start, I want you to subscribe to this channel and press on the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload a video, which is very often. So, I want to speak to you today about forgiveness. What do you understand by forgiveness? It's easy to say that I forgive you, but does it really happen? Especially for people who have hurt us grievously, or there is some trauma that we still carry from those experiences. Is it easy to forgive them? We may be telling and understanding that it is the right way for me to go ahead because I need to forgive this person so that I am able to move ahead, right? So you get it here, but again, do you get it here? Forgiveness is a process. It has to come and happen every time that incident or that person comes in front of you. So every time the memory comes up, you still feel the pain and you still get into that vicious circle of thoughts and emotions, which is the pattern, which is why it is still a trigger. Every time it comes up, making the decision to get past it without getting into the blame game or shaming yourself for being the way you were and going through that powerless experience is what matters and is what forgiveness is all about. So it is not a one time process, it is a process which you come across every time you remember and making that choice to go ahead regardless of the trauma that you still carry. Making that decision every day, every time for yourself. Remembering that it is at the end of the day for yourself that you're doing this, not for the other person. You don't know the story of the other person, anyways, isn't it? It is just the story or the meaning that we have given. Why does the trauma hurt so much? Why do you think that? It is because we see ourselves as being so powerless and so defenseless in that time that we just cannot do anything but go through that pain, isn't it? So forgiving yourself for being that way is the most difficult part. It is a process always, isn't it? We grow from what we were as kids and then through teenage, through young adulthood, and as we grow older we evolve and we change, don't we? So I feel very, perturbed by things which come up in the social media about something that someone said years back, and they are held against that. Then that was what you said at that time, and how is it that you have changed your stance now? But understand that everything is a process. A growth means that you're changing, right? Your evolution means that you're changing and changing for a better version into a better version of yourself, isn't it? So, how does it apply that you would stay the same and evolve at the same time? It can't happen, isn't it? So, every time you remember that incident, that experience which made you feel powerless or defenseless or without control, feeling out of control of your life, of your physical, emotional safety, what do you do? What do you choose to do every time? You forgive that older self also, isn't it? Because the anger that we hold against the other person for putting us through the trauma is actually directed inwards also towards that defenseless or that naive person or that powerless person that we were or we perceived ourselves to be. We just hadn't yet accessed our potential, which we did over a period of time. And as the growth happens, we come across those incidents which made us feel powerless all the time. And we keep healing from that incident every time we remember it. That choice of choosing yourself, forgiving yourself for saying, okay, it was at that time, it's okay. But now I'm going ahead. And that is what matters. That is what forgiveness is all about. What do you think? Do you agree with this? Does it make sense to you? So like and share the video as much as possible. So if you know someone who will be helped by this video, do share it with them. Thank you. and I'll see you again at the next video. Bye for now.